How to integrate Webflow with Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Webflow site to Shopify store. So first of all, you have to head over to this address webflow.com, and then here you have to tap on to get started. It's free option. So after tapping onto it, you have to log into it, or you can use your Google account if you wish to, and then there you go, we are logged into Webflow. Now from here you just need to have to create a new site from here. You can use AI site builder, or you can also use the previously made templates from here. Let me show you how you can do it. Tap onto new site and then you can choose this templates. For now I'm going to choose this template for now, and after choosing this template, tap on to create file. So after tapping onto it, let's head over to Shopify store. So you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, and after going to your Shopify dashboard, here you can see your online store. Right here you have to tap onto your online store, and there you can see the theme, previously made theme I made. But here you have to go to settings option first, and after going to settings option, here you can see apps and sales channel, and from there you have to tap onto Shopify app store, and after clicking onto Shopify app store, you have to find um, app builder or app connector. So let me find the app, or you can see here, you can check out about your learn about more about apps. If you have, then you can just check them out. But for now, here you can see this option, develop apps. You just have to tap onto this option, develop apps. Now here you can see this small text at the blue background, allow custom app development. You have to tap onto allow custom development, and there you can see that you are about to allow custom app development on your store, and this cannot be undone. Like this means that you can create apps, generate access tokens that provide API access to your data, and here are all the regulations, and that's it. And lastly, you have to tap onto allow custom development again. Then after tapping onto custom development, we are almost ready to go. And here you can also search for custom development, or you can just search it up for and have some. Okay, there we go. And there we can download an app if there is any app, but as of now there is no app like this that can integrate to add custom apps to your Shopify store. So for now you can't use any app like that. Okay, now here you after here from here you choosing the custom app development. From here you have to tap on to create an app, then you can enter the app name, for example custom app. Then you have to tap on to create app. From here just tap on to create app. So after tapping on to create app, wait until the page loads. So this is what it looks like. And now here you can see these configurations and API settings. From here also you can go to app settings. Here's the description, etc. Now let's go over to overview again, and if you want to add an app to your store, then just now you have to go over to your Shopify dashboard, then online store, and here you can see at the themes that you have to do is that you have to tap onto this one, this three dot icon, and here you can see the edit code options, or here you can see the edit code options, or there's another way. Let me show you. Let's go back. At the top corner here you can see this import theme option. Okay, just go to the top and here tap on the import theme option, and one thing that everyone does that is they all upload zip files from here, and from there you have to add a zip file, and of course this zip file will be provided by Webflow right from here. So you have to customize this everything from here. Here you can see all these things, just customize this according to your need, as I'm not gonna make a tutorial now. Here you have to tap on this publish options, And after tapping on the publish options, here you can get some advanced options, and then you have to publish to selected domains. So after tapping onto it, let it load. Also you can tap onto share, and you can just share it link this. You can copy this link from here, just tap onto the publish option and then publish it up, and wait until the publication is completed. So there we go, this is what it looks like. Now we have to copy the link of it. So there we go. Now here you can see this now you can publish it to selected domain if you wish to. And that was pretty much it. Now you have to copy the zip file link from here, and you have to paste it over to Shopify store very easily. Where does it go? Here you have to tap onto add files, then you have to choose your files. So let's go head over to add files options, click this icon. um, let's tap on to share, and where is the so that was pretty much it, that how you can do it. From import theme, you can also visit theme store, or you can connect GitHub from it. Also, you just have to download the link, or you have to publish it, and then you have to add a custom domain from here. You can custom domain right from here. You just have to choose an offer from here, then you just have to go. So you can also buy the basic plan if you wish to, and then lastly you can publish to selected domain. So this is how you can do it. As you can see, site is published successfully. And that's it. You can also unpublish it if you wish to, and that was pretty much it. You just have to enter the zip file from here to the Shopify store. You can visit theme store, or you can also upload zip files from here. So like you have to head over to your upload themes option and then upload theme, and make sure to you have all these three. For example, if you talk about Java, CSS, etc., it has them. And then there we go. Now here your site will be uploaded. You can just customize it if you want, and lastly you just have to tap on the publish, and that's it. So now then you can visit your store from here, and you can check out your store. So that was pretty much it, that how you can add you can integrate Webflow with your Shopify store. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Okay, you can upload files from here. You just have to download the files from right here. You can add a custom domain if you wish to from here, and then you can just go with this. So that is it. You can check out your site access from here. You can open site, you can open the editor option from here, and that was pretty much it. You can create new link right from here, and from by clicking onto this apps option, you can search up for apps, and you can add them with apps if you want. You can add them with Zapier and many more apps from here, and then just add them. So that's it. And if this video helps you, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video. Goodbye.